Hi, I'm Richie and I'm from Luxembourg. Well, learning English could be challenging sometimes, but don't worry, I'm here to help you to make it fun and interesting. My greatest achievement is to see my students who have achieved their goals. Basically, I help students according to their learning goals and needs. So, if you want grammar lessons or speaking lessons, we can definitely do that. My major goal is to boost your confidence so that you will communicate better in every situation. So in my class, I encourage you to speak a lot and express yourself freely. Don't worry about committing mistakes. I'm always here to guide and assist you. I'm a TEFL English teacher. I graduated with a degree in psychology and I also studied theology in Norway. I've been teaching English since 2016. I teach students of all levels and ages from over 100 countries. I've always been passionate in teaching and I love learning different cultures. A lesson with me will be fun, relaxed, easygoing, and comfortable. In this way, you can learn English with me without feeling intimidated and pressured. Speak to me as you would to a friend. Thank you so much for checking out my profile. I hope to see you soon.